Got a question for you. Guess what's better than one Rubik's Cube? Got 5 seconds to answer. 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 2 Rubik's Cube. Yeah.
Hello guys, how you doing? Today I will be displaying my newest toy, which is a magnetic Rubik's Cube. And the reason why I'm recording this video is because I need to take this apart, okay? And then I need to put it back together. So I'm doing this video so I can know how to put it back together, because I'm not gonna know how to put this back together once I take it apart. So let's start with the first step. We're gonna take this one right here that looks like a T. Okay, boom. Then we're gonna take this one off, the orange part. See it? It's like an L. There it goes, L. Take it apart. Then we're gonna take this purple one, or lavender one, which is half an L. Okay. Then we're gonna take this blue one, which looks like a weird type image, and then we're gonna take this one, and finally these two. Now the question is, can I put it back together? I think I can. Let's see. If I remember, these two were together, right? That's the easiest one. Then I remember I took this, I just don't remember where I took it from. So I'm gonna put it, no, I'm gonna put it right there. Okay, then I know it was this one. So where was this one at? Let's see. This is oh no, as you can see, it cannot go there, because how are we gonna leave this empty space here? So obviously this gotta probably go. Oh, yes. Boom. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Then it was this one. Thank God I got them in order. Oh no, it could. That's wrong, because look at this empty spot here. That blue cannot go there. So we're gonna take the blue and we're gonna shift it like this. See what happens. Nope. Doesn't work. Oh yes. Okay, you see it? Boom. Now we have this empty slot here, which we're gonna take. I want to take the L because I think it'll fit perfectly there, but I gotta go in order, guys. So let's see. This back is already complete. Now we're gonna work right here. Let's see. So this piece right here, what happens if I put it? Nope. Oh wait, yes, maybe. No, I don't know. Okay, no, because this spot here is empty, so that cannot go there. Oh, no, because this spot, unless something goes here. No, oh Lord. Okay, it's gotta be, no. Oh, yes, boom. Okay, guys, I think we're almost there. We have the L, which definitely not. Okay, this is where we are. If you're able to see it, but I gotta put this together now the way it was. Maybe I can put the T first, and maybe it'll fall in. The T could go here, but then the L, this is not good. Help! Okay, let's take the T back out, because obviously this is something went wrong here. Yes. Okay. No, because then I have this empty spot here. This is where I had that. So what if I flip it this way? No, because then I have this empty spot here. So what if I put it here? No, because then I have this empty spot and this empty spot. Gosh, I don't remember how I did this. And it was, should I rewind? Okay, hold on. This cannot be that difficult. Let's take this one out of, No, I can't. I'm about to quit. I'm gonna put this up here. Okay, I moved the blue. Let's see if I do a different shift here. Boom. Oh, the T. Voila, look at this. Woo! Please tell me this fits there. Please tell me this fits there. And it will be case closed. Oh Lord, it does not fit there. Give me 60 seconds. If I don't do it in 60 seconds, I quit. Starting now. I quit. Forget it. Forget it, guys. I have to rewind this video and watch everything from the beginning because I do not know how to put this. Guys, please leave your comments below and make sure you subscribe for more videos. And I don't know. Let me know if you can do this better than I can. Bye.
This video would not have been possible if it wasn't for Asha introducing me to the Magnetics Cube. Thanks, Asha, for such an amazing gift. I love it. And my new phrase is, what is better than one Magnetics Cube? Two Magnetics Cube. Yeah.